welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe is a warm, familiar meal, a hot bowl of tofu soup. Quick and easy to cook, and it's best served for rainy days ahead or when you're feeling under the weather. Here are the ingredients. In a casserole over a medium heat, pour in a cup of water and the chopped carrots, then bring to a boil. When the carrots are already half cooked, pour another 3 cups of water and add the garlic and onion. Let it simmer. Turn the heat low, then gently drop the tofu and continue to cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Season with soy sauce and oyster sauce. Drop in the egg yolk, stirring continuously to break it up. Then add the diluted cornstarch and black pepper. Let it simmer to slightly thicken the soup. Garnish with green onions and serve. I hope you will enjoy making this recipe just like I did when I was searching for something nutritious at the same time a toddler will love to eat. Let me know if you did, but before we move to tasting, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you'll get notified every time we upload. Now let's prepare baby's food and see what's the verdict. Well, that would be all for now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.